قال الله تعالى: لقد من الله على المؤمنين إذ بعث فيهم رسولا. With this great saying, I wish and raise up you to honorable guest, respected teacher, and my fellow students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time for listening my stories about the death of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The pen is in my hand and I think, how would Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam be breathed? Dear listeners, 1400 years ago, the world was surrounded with darkness. The people were acted as slaves. Here, the girls were buried alive into the grave. And dear mother of those children was bursting, killing people and destroying humanity was simple thing. Yes, as we know, if the shame is stung by thinking, it nothing for the age of humanity is thrown away. This was the condition of us, not only of us, but we were causing the darkness to get more darker. The world was covered with no justice. Nothing was caring with man. The cruelness was about to end, and human was not treated as human, but eventually as animals. So in this condition, a light appears and spreads all of the darkness. Through this light, the darkness gets away, and bright spreads in our side of the world. Yes, dear audience, as in the home of Abdullah, our beloved Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. The worldwide spread cruelness gets away. In this way, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam started praying to God. He started obeying the orders of Allah. And after being revealed first time, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam started to Islam.